A lot of people our age talk about, finding mentors, but they talk about it in terms of, wanting to find someone to mentor them. And generally speaking, you have to reverse engineer that. I mean, Diego, is good friends of ours and of course yours. He's a very, very busy guy. And although he has a huge heart, if someone were to just ask him to be his mentor, the amount of time that he would have for them is is not, is not a ton of time where you became business partners with him, and now that through mutual benefici you're mutually benefiting each other. He has become that mentor that has a vested interest in seeing you succeed. And and oftentimes that is the form that mentorship has to take on, is helping mutually benefit other people, or benefiting their life in some way. Drew's in IT, and a lot of people have struggles with whether it's posting on social media or their IT work. Maybe they want some sort of a website or whatever they're looking for. Somebody who's a high producer in whatever industry or whatever you're looking to do, you can come along and say, hey, listen, I will do this for you if you'll give me the know-how to
100%.
do this
Yeah.
or that. And so I just want to point that out to where these people become your mentors because of mutual beneficent.